Welcome back to Roaming with Moose. It's Heather here along with our girl Maple, and we are going to be answering a very common question that we get while we're living on the road, and that is, how do you groom your dogs? We are traveling so much that we do not have a regular groomer. With that being said, we just do our grooming ourselves. I want to put this out there. This is a disclaimer that I am not a professional dog groomer. We just do it out of convenience. We also do it to save money because having two dogs, grooming could get quite expensive. Without further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to be grooming Maple. I always do this outside because I do not want dog hair in the bus. I have asthma and I would die. So I will go ahead and brush her out. I'll make sure that she has no knots. That is the first step I do. Oh, she's laying down. You gotta stand up though. All right, stand up. All right. I find that the wire brush works really good, especially just making sure you get all of the mats out, all of the knots out. And I will just do a quick brush around her entire body before I do anything else. Fortunately for me, Maple loves getting groomed. She is a very easygoing dog when it comes to grooming. Moose? Oh my God! Moose is a whole nother story, but you know, it is what it is. Joe, for editing, this is just some B-roll of me brushing Maple. Also, if Maple and Moose have like big mats that I simply cannot get out with a brush, I'll just go ahead and cut them out. Around their ears or behind their ears, they get really matted. Like, it's gross. Good girl. Maple, come here. Please. Maple, please. Maple! Oh my God.
Go to mama. Go.
Come on.
You want to be?
Come on.
You want to run away? Go to mom.
Come on. Please, it'll be so quick.
She doesn't want to go.
All right.
You got her?
Yeah. Oh, no. All right, so the next thing I do is I give her a bath. Today I'm giving her a bath in the river. If you told me a year ago that I would be bathing not one dog, but two dogs in a river, I would not believe you. Make sure we cover her ears. I always make sure they're clean before we start the cutting, shearing process. Maple, please stay. Ugh. Come here. Ah! Wait, babe. Help.
It's soggy.
Ugh.
Don't you dare shake on
Don't
me.
shake.
Okay, my girl. Let's get you nice and dry. Okay, my girl. I'm sorry about this.
It'll all be over in a couple hours.
Heaven, baby, why don't you take me there? Take away my cares of a love.
Maple's about 90% dry. We're gonna give her a little bit of a break, and I'm going to clean up the station and then get ready for the shave, which is probably the worst part of it all, right? Maple is pretty much fully dry, so this is where I give her one final brush, make sure there's no knots. I have my amazing assistant, Joey, who's gonna help with the first portion of this groom.
They call me Joey Shears. Good girl. What's good about having curly dogs is that even if you get like an uneven shave on the haircut, the curls after a day or two will sort themselves out, and it'll be like you can't even tell.
That's exactly what my hair does. So proud of you.
Yeah, Moose does not sit nearly this still for haircuts.
No. Hey Joe, while we are grooming Maple, what would you say your favorite part about having Maple is?
Yeah, she always keeps me on my toes, I'll tell you that. I love chasing her when she runs away from us and doesn't listen and doesn't come back. I love when she runs into other people's campsites because she's so excited to meet new people and greet them and give them a big welcome. Yeah, I just love how unpredictable she is.
Anything else more on like the positive side?
Those were positives, no?
I mean, to each his own, I suppose, but my favorite thing about Maple is her friendliness. She is extremely friendly with dogs and people.
She's also in that stage where she's pushing her boundaries. She's just coming up on a year old, so she's getting confident. She wants to see what she can and can't get away with. And she just, that's where she's at right now, and that's okay.
I think she's also taught Moose a lot about being on the road and sort of being more confident because Moose is definitely a more of a shy, reserved kind of dog. So I think that she's shown him, like, hey, like it's okay to be a little more courageous or.
My girl Maple is bold, and in the world that we live in, we need to be bold now more than ever.
I honestly agree. She's looking good though.
I'm tagging you in.
Passing the torch. All right, it's my turn. This is why I really emphasize brushing out the fur or making sure all the mats are gone, because when you move the buzzer through, there shouldn't be any snagging. And if there is, you stop, you cut it or brush it, but it just makes the process so much easier when you're just smoothly gliding through the fur. It also helps that she's being really good right now because Moose does not let you touch his paws. Like, he has this weird thing with his paws. Let's do a flip. Oh, there we go. Look at his puppy butt. Stay. 115, you gotta stay. Are we almost done? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna take these curved shears and this comb, and I'm just gonna start like shaping out the paws. Alright, stay. Let me see those little paws. Yeah. For Maple and Moose, I like to do these like cute rounded paws. You look very cute so far. Let me just do the back legs, okay, Mama? It's just been a long day. We're both not feeling it anymore, so I'm just really trying to do this as quick as I possibly can with still making her look as cute as I can, but I'm just gonna turn you, good girl. And then I'm just gonna go with her body once more, and then we're gonna go towards the head, which is always the scary part because this is the part where you could really fuck up. Stay. 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 Good girl. You have to stay. Good girl. Honestly, I just do whatever I think is good and just hope for the best. Then I kind of just like evaluate, see what I'm working with, see what my canvas will allow me to do. She's really just... Are you upset with me? I think she looks so sweet though. Her eyes are always just covered by her fur, so what I try to do is I just try to like do a like crescent moon over her eyebrows so that she could actually see. Stay. I'm sorry, it has to get done. I can't just leave you like this. She's literally ignored. Do you see that? Maple. I love you. I still love you. Do you still love me? I feel like dog grooming is one of those things, like, it looks worse before it gets better. I feel like that's with, like, any art, really. It's like, it'll look good, I swear. It's kind of like what dog grooming is like. You kind of have to, like, see it through. Okay, so now we are getting to, which might be arguably the worst part, is the undercarriage section. Here's what I do. I don't know if this is right. Whew. Gotta take a deep breath for this one. Stay, please stay, please stay. Good girl. Yes, woo, what a good girl. Yay. We're having so much fun. Okay, see, so then I have to stop, give her a break. So itchy. Ugh. Every time I get ready to do a grooming, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be great. And then as it goes on, it somehow just gets worse and worse. But it's free. It's free. So at least we're saving some money here. Maple, stay, please. Please stay. No, stay, stay. Oh my god. I think it's about to rain. I'm tired. She is so done with me. So we're just gonna take a final look. We're gonna do a little comb. I think she looks really cute, but she won't let me get her undercarriage. I know I say, like, it's not gonna be perfect. It's not about, I am a perfectionist, so it's like, I wanna, like, get, if there's, like, hairs that are sticking out, I need to, like, you look really cute, though, but you're very tired. So I'm gonna do a little bit here. I'm gonna do a little bit there. I'm gonna finish the rest of it off camera, clean up, and then I'll show you the final results. We'll do a little cool montage. And this is the final result, Miss Maple. Also, my best friend Alicia, shout out to Alicia, she sewed this little Halloween bandana. I think she looks pretty dapper. You could actually see her eyes. Come here. You look so gorgeous. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, even subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. That's been Roaming with Moose, technically Maple today. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Do you have anything to say?